Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to tag someone on your WhatsApp status. So what you have to do is to go to your Apple Store or your Play Store to download WhatsApp or to update your WhatsApp app. Yes, so you just type in WhatsApp, and after doing that you're going to update it. In case you have not updated your app, going to update it so in case you don't have the new features on your phone. Before that, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, after you are done updating your WhatsApp, so you're going to enter into your WhatsApp and you're going over to your status. You're going to see it at the down side by your left in case you're using an iPhone. So after doing that, you're going to see my status, add to my status. You're going to click it. Yes, you're going to tap it and you're going to choose any picture you want. So I'm just going to choose anyone here, which is this, a caption. You're going to see that tag this in by your right side. So you can tag anyone you want. You can tag more than 5 persons if you want. So I'm going to tag my brother, which is Big Bro. So this I've marked it good, and I have status included. Yes, status included. So I'm only sharing with 2 people, which is my mom and my brother. Yes, so I'm going to share between these 2. But who I'm tagging only my brother. Yes, I'm tagging only my brother, but my mom will see it. And this yes, I've tagging. So all you have to do is to do done, and you're going to, it's only on share with 2 contacts. So I'm only sharing with only 2 contacts. And add capture. So you're going to add any capture you want. You're going to type anything you want, but let me just type hi bro. Yes, and just post the picture, and it's showing sending one, which means I'm only posting 1 picture, and this is done. And let me press the status and let me see what it's showing. Hi bro. So what you have to do is to go back to your chat side, and let me go back to the chat, and you can see it, you mention Big Bro. That means you've tagged the one you want to tag. So guys, this is the end of this video. I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.